Hello there, this is coinmetallurgist, and this is box 2 of my little experiment here. This is the second box of quarters. In case you haven't seen the videos yet, what I'm doing is we'll be going through 2 boxes of half dollars, quarters, nickels, and dimes, looking for silver coins and anything else that's of collector's value to me. There's 2 questions I'm trying to answer. The first one is if I can determine if a roll will have silver in it based on the weight of the roll. And the second question, if it's even plausible to be searching for silver in rolls. So I've already weighed all of the rolls in this box. And just a reminder how I'm doing this, I have an empty roll from the first box I opened. And I put this on here and tear it. And these are the 2 rolls that were heaviest, 227.2 grams and 227 grams. So in this video, I'm actually going to open these 2 in this first part of the video, and then I'll open the other 38 rolls and let you know what all I found in the end. In the first box, I didn't have much success finding silver at all, and so I didn't prove or disprove that we can determine which rolls had silver by weight. To tell you the truth, I think that if one of these rolls in this box have silver coins, it might be any of them, because it's not necessarily going to be heavier if the coin is really worn down. So if it's a silver coin but it's very worn down, then it's not going to be the original weight of the coin. What we got going on here is I'm just going through these quickly. These ones are, I can tell, are state coins. The ones that are going to be silver are 1964 or older. And, you know, in reality, we could probably just look at the edge, you know, and a silver coin's really going to pop right out. So, no silver coin yet. Just going through these quickly. You know, it's really easy to tell, even if we had a newer coin that should be in a proof set that was a silver coin that got put into circulation on accident, we'd be able to find it fairly easily because it would stand out. The color of the coin would be different. Yeah, so no silver quarter in that roll, and we'll look through one more here. You know, we'll often see 1965 or 1966, and, you know, to say that it's close but not quite silver isn't really true, because it's not like the half dollars where we had 40% silver quarters or half dollars for a while. 1964 has silver, and after that doesn't, and there's nothing more to it than that. Okay, so those first 2 rolls that were heavier than the rest didn't have any silver in them. That doesn't mean that the other ones won't, and I'll finish this video once I've looked through the rest of them and let you know how it goes in the second part of this video. Okay, so I've finished going through the second box of quarters, $500 in this box, $500 in the first box, and then I've gone through $400 in loose rolls before that. So I've gone through $1,400 in quarters now. The first box I got at my local Chase Bank, and to eliminate a little bit of bias, I got this box at US Bank, which, actually probably doesn't eliminate any bias because the rolls at both banks were packaged by Loomis, which is a third-party company rather than the actual bank packaging the coins. Years ago when I would get pennies and and I don't know if I ever really got quarters, but pennies and nickels, at least from US Bank, they used to have different packaging, but all of them use Loomis now, I guess. An interesting thing about this box of quarters was that there were no quarters from any year after 2011. So to me, that could be that this box of quarters was sealed in 2011 and had been sitting in a warehouse or a bank since then, or somebody went through these quarters and took out all of the ones after 2011. I think it's very unlikely that someone went through these and took all the quarters out, especially since it seems like the Loomis company puts in new coins even directly from the mint, mixed in with the coins that they send back to the banks. So I think it's likely that this box has been sealed since 2011. Once again, no silver. So that means I've gone through $1,400 of quarters that have been packaged in the Denver metro area and haven't found any silver. Next, I'll be looking in through dimes. So we will see the results from dimes. Still can't give any input on whether we can determine if a coin roll has silver by its weight, because we still haven't found any silver. I will be keeping 18 bicentennial quarters that I found in this box, and really I kept only maybe 2 or 3 other quarters that were in really good condition, but not really much of anything from this box. Hopefully we'll have better luck with the dimes, and if I can get a bank to get $50 for me, hopefully we'll have better luck with those $50. Continue looking for additional videos in this little experiment, and hopefully we'll have some good results by the end. Thanks.